Hi, I'm Aliza Shatzman. I am the president and co founder of the Legal Accountability Project. We are a nonprofit that seeks to ensure that as many law clerks as possible have positive clerkship experiences while extending support and resources to those who do not. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about why people decide to clerk and what I mean when I say that the clerkship workspace is a workplace particularly conducive to harassment. So I decided to clerk because I wanted to be a homicide prosecutor in the DC US Attorney's Office, and I knew that DC AUSAs appeared before DC judges. I hope to get a crash course in trial lawyering and to learn from the prosecutors and public defenders who appeared before the court. I also hoped to learn about judicial decision making by helping my judge reach rulings. Unfortunately, I think that the clerkship workspace is a particularly dangerous and unregulated one. There is an enormous power disparity between judges and law clerks, and the workplace is also quite isolated. So, judges are typically Senate confirmed, they often have life tenure, and law clerks are fresh out of law school. There is an enormous power disparity between employer and employee that makes it immensely difficult to speak up in the face of workplace mistreatment. Law clerks are enormously dependent on their judges for letters of recommendation, references, and future career opportunities. Additionally, the clerkship workspace is extremely isolated. A judicial chambers is segmented from the rest of the world by locked doors. Law clerks and judges work long hours in stressful circumstances, and there is no oversight over judges' day to day dealing with their clerks. And unfortunately, it is often the law clerks who get blamed when they speak up against mistreatment. Many of them face retaliation. Some of them are driven from their dream jobs. I think for these reasons, law clerks deserve at least the same workplace protections as the other branches of government and as most private employers. I think this is a particularly unregulated environment, and we need basic workplace protections for all judiciary employees.